The dream of conquering diseases and life prolongation. The reason for the existence of pharmaceutical industries. Korean pharmaceutical industry has been conducting continuous R&D and investment to contribute to the happiness of mankind by improving the health and life of Korean people. Now, we have achieved capabilities that are up to the standard of developed countries, and we are confidently entering into the global market as a growth engine of the Republic of Korea. The Korean pharmaceutical industry has medication production plants and QC systems that are up to the standards of developed countries for the production of excellent and safe domestic medications. More than $2.8 billion has been invested since 2006 to establish cutting-edge cGMP production facilities that meet US and European standards, with the strong belief that no single defective product is allowed. Due to these efforts, in 2014, Korea became a member of PICS, an international instrument of the leading countries in the global pharmaceutical industry. This means that the excellent quality and management level of medications produced by Korean pharmaceutical companies have been officially recognized internationally. As a result, the production of medications targeting the global pharmaceutical market continues to grow. The Korean pharmaceutical industry, with 120 years of history, has been expanding R&D investments since the introduction of the substance patent in 1987. As a result, more than 20 new drugs have been developed domestically in Korea. And the number of FDA-approved drugs is continuously increasing. Also, the world's first stem cell treatment and biosimilar were developed in Korea as an advanced nation for bioindustry, followed by the development of botanical drugs and incrementally modified drugs. Korean drugs manufactured by domestic pharmaceutical companies have been recognized as meeting the quality standards of developed countries and have expanded across the world. As a result, export of drugs manufactured in Korea is increasing in Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, the US, and European countries. Also, we have made amazing achievements with the acceleration of global targeting, such as the construction of local corporate companies and production plants overseas. The Korean pharmaceutical industry conducts various and active social contribution initiatives based on the basic idea of contribution to the life of mankind and healthy lives. We are trying hard to fulfill our social responsibility for a healthy Korean population by providing the followings: drug support for domestic and international disasters, as well as to medically vulnerable social groups, scholarships for neglected social groups, such as those with low socioeconomic status, single-parent families, pan-national campaigns, such as Respect the Elderly and Culture, drug adverse event relief programs, collection of unused medications, etc. A world where everyone is healthy. This is the dream and future of the Korean pharmaceutical industry. The Korean pharmaceutical industry will maintain the pharmaceutical sovereignty that directly relates to the nation's health and life, with continuous challenge and innovation, and will grow as a global industry that contributes to the development of the nation as a new growth power in the 21st century. We will leap forward to the top 7 pharmaceutical powerhouses in the world through the Pharma 2020 vision with support from the government. The KPMA and the Korean pharmaceutical industry will achieve success globally.